Hi, I'm Janelle Gerber, and responding to discussion number 3, I I wanted to just share some of my ideas, and it also helps scope what I'm recording when I'm doing this on a Google Draw. I like that I can just kind of make it look pretty instead of kind of a plain doc. So, in changing how we teach, I really feel that collaborating with classroom teachers is important for my teaching job right now. I am the computer specialty teacher, and so when I am trying to teach all the different types of technology and how to use them, right here I talk about the Google Education Suite. So many things that I want to teach them. It's often hard for me because I don't have the content. And if I can take, for example, this year I did a slide. I took the slides and gave each of the kids a template on how to create a fourth grade, I can't remember the word right now, but a fourth grade brochure for a county that they were each assigned. The teachers hadn't thought of doing that. I've seen it done in other schools, and it allowed them to be able to expand their learning about a certain county. From now on, every time one of those fourth grade students hears about their county that they did research on and created this great a brochure for it, that's always going to be special to them. That's their county. And I think that's one of the ways that a computer teacher like myself can help change the way teaching is happening by creating those types of learning opportunities and experiences that they take and they expand their learning. I also mentioned here that sometimes I'm able to help a struggling learner who needs something a little different. I once had a student who was pulled out most of the time into education resource classes. Couldn't read very well, didn't do those types of things. As a third grade student, he came in, we did our coding unit, and he excelled. He passed everybody. For some reason that clicked, that made sense for him, and it was able to give him a chance to feel like he accomplished something. And if I can create that and do different types of experiences, maybe a visual learner, maybe someone who needs to see a bigger picture, and I can help provide that, then to collaborate with those classroom teachers will change how these students are creating their education experiences. So I also think that to change the way we teach, we have to have a professional learning community that helps make that happen. We have an excellent PLC here in Alpine School District. As you can see on my notes there, we share all types of things. In fact, I wanted to share, we have a team that created this site. Sorry, I'm blocking it a little bit there. But these are the standards for Alpine. They actually took the ISTE standards and created some here. And they're actually updating a little bit too. They're kind of taking it, and they have the 4 main sections here. And each of these have resources for us to be able to go in and teach keyboarding, go in and teach 21st century skills that allows us to be able to see what has worked for other classrooms and create just an experience that the kids are excited to come in and learn something new. So this is obviously still out there and open, and anyone's welcome to get to this. I should show you the URL here if anyone is interested. Not happening. Let's see. There, URL, if that's something you wanted to copy and maybe come take a look at those resources. But then back here, I think teaching in an elementary level, it's hard to be able to take our teaching to a point where we can be involved in deep conversation and reflection, only because we're so focused on fundamentals. I think I have a better opportunity as a computer teacher when I'm teaching digital citizenship, like I talk about right here. It allows me to be able to talk to students about their safety on the internet, but also it kind of delves into other things when I bring up discussions about relevant topics and fake news. It's something that allows the students to be able to think and reflect and try to figure out where they get their information and who do they believe. And so I think maybe older grades, like middle school and high school, have that opportunity to be able to do that. Not that it's not impossible, like I said, in elementary school, but I think the fundamentals make it a little difficult. So there are my thoughts.